Hello everybody, Scuba Ty here, and today I will be traveling to Playa Grandi, which is a beach and carousel full of sea turtles. If you haven't watched last week's video on the Watamula dive, please click at the top of the screen. When I arrived at the beach, I noticed that there are a lot of tourists there, which means there's probably a lot of trash on the beach and the ocean. While I was snorkeling with the sea turtles, I picked up as much trash as I could find and threw it away after. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching this video. If you made it this far, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, which involves me traveling to Groot Nip, which is a famous cliff diving spot to go treasure hunting. Thanks again. This is Scuba Ty. I will see you in the next video.